just woke up. I woke up at around 7:30 and then I meditated for almost 30 minutes. I do chanting first for 10 minutes, then I do just focusing on the breath and then visualize. I think with the visualize part I slept, which I didn't want to and I was not aiming to, and I really need to work on that because I did not sleep last night, so my brain wanted more sleep, but we are all locked in. We cannot sleep more than 7 hours or like 8 hours. Like after 7 a.m., like no, it's too late to sleep in bed. And after that, now I am going to have journaled, read my book. I'm gonna take a shower and head to the gym. Yes. Also, I just woke up and it is raining in Dubai, and I feel a little calm because I think the situation is getting better. If you don't know, Dubai is under attack from Iran, and this is seriously a serious movement going on right here, and we don't know what's happening, but I feel better now that the alarms that they send, the notification that they send have silenced down. Like it was a big alarm earlier, but now it has been silenced. It's a small thing sound. Earlier it was a very emergency sound. So yes, I hope you saw my last day's vlog. I completed everything, but in order to edit this video and post the day one, I slept super late because of everything. But I'm just gonna still work on my routine so that I can post it on time. Yes, I was able to make the posture fix video and I'll be posting it today as well, and I'm going to shoot that as well. So you guys can follow me on Instagram so that you can see how I'm fixing my posture. Yes, you can't see it really. It's so you can see when you see me that the posture needs some work, but I know I can do it. I've done it a lot of times. When I wanted abs, I got abs. When I want posture fix, I will get that. And I would love to help you guys in case you want to get your posture corrected. Now I'm just going to go for a bath. It's so nice. It's raining outside. I'm having my breakfast. Try. You already see how I make my breakfast is I have an induction. I keep it on the table and then I make it. I'm so proud of me. So guys, I got this board to make it my vision board, and it's right over my fridge. I also got these cute little pins. These are pink in color. Let me just I have my vision board images which I got printed like way back, but I haven't yet cut them because I didn't have scissors. But I think I'm just gonna pin it for now, and later I'm gonna just cut them and then pin them. For now, let's just do it. I'm so excited. My vision board just came from Temu. I've got other stuff as well. I will show you guys once I decorate it. literally reminds me of my home because when back at my place I had my vision board and I used to wake up to that, and it all came true because I was looking at it every day and taking steps. I'm so happy that my vision board is finally up here. Now I just need to just cut them and then just make sure that it looks pretty, and yes, I can also put my notes on what I have to do every day. That will be so much helpful. I packed my lunch, I'm all dressed up, and we're leaving finally for a shoot. I'm going to shoot my content as said. So it's day 2. I've just posted one video. Haven't received any leads yet, but I will keep you guys updated. I think I'm gonna also keep sharing the leads. How many leads am I getting? How many I'm not getting? What am I improving, so that you guys can also be a part, and this motivates you, pulls you up. So I'm going to the studio and I always walk by Marina. It's so beautiful. If you're having a very low day today, don't worry about it. Just get dressed and get out there. You will feel so better. And that's absolutely how I was feeling. I was feeling so tired and so sleepy. It did not bother. I got dressed because I have to fulfill the promise that I made to myself and the commitment that I did to you guys. Find beauty around you, and I'm listening to my affirmations. It's motivating me so much. Like literally, if you are so negative about you, or you went through a breakup just like me, or went through a disturbing friendship, relationship, work, you left your job, I know all the negative thoughts might be coming to you. Just listen to positive affirmations all day long. Just be very delusional, because when you listen to positive things about yourself, your brain starts to believe it. So that's the best thing you can do. I am almost reached. Just finished my workout and I was filming my back video. I'm so tired right now. I don't think I have the capacity to shoot anymore, but I can't take a break because I need to post and I need to edit. So I will go for lunch after I'm done filming. I'm so tired. My body is not, I couldn't even do legs. I was trying to do full body, but I think I will take rest after I'm done. The commitment thing is killing, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And I am so shocked because when I earlier used to shoot in the studio, I used to feel like, what will someone is listening to me, what will they think, and that and this. And slowly you become comfortable with the fact that I don't care. Nobody's listening, nobody cares. It's just you and your work. Just do your work. And everybody here is so oriented towards their work that they don't care about what you are doing. So yes, if you're someone who's thinking I'll show you some side of Dubai that's super rich, no, I'm just a woman who's trying to earn her living here. Scared. Create my own path and be proud of myself instead of just living off my father's money. So in case you were thinking this is going to be some Dubai vlog, that girl does not exist. I don't want to do fun. I want to create my own life in just 21 days. I want to see the change. I don't care what the outcome is going to be. I want to be my best disciplined self for 21 days. This is what I wanted. I always wanted to live alone, like have a little work area where I can just put these rules and live like this. And yes, I know people have dreams of living in mansion. My dream was to live a very monk like life. I can go difficult than this, but one step at a time. I don't want to burst out at once, so we will make it challenging slowly slowly. I'm just being very compassionate with myself, going very slow, habits that are easy for me. So yes, I will talk to you guys after lunch. Oh yes, it's 2:30 and let's go. Everywhere in Dubai is such an amazing view. Let me show you guys. This is my studio's view. It's so insane. I got my decaf from Starbucks and I'm having my lunch. Starbucks is the cheapest in Dubai to get coffee. As in with the vegan milk option, it's the cheapest, I think. Plus their coffee is so nice. I've had like cheap coffees, but they're not nice. I'm gonna have my avocado and no avocado, just egg sandwich. It's nice. It could be more creamier. I'm gonna do my work and enjoy my lunch as well. I just came by the beach to just sit and do some meditation. I will do it for 50 minutes because I was trying to work but I couldn't. I thought, why not just listen to the waves, focus on my breathing. So nice. Hi guys, so it's the end of today and today was productive. I did as promised. I'm gonna edit this video and post it, but yes, I do feel I miss my friends and I do feel bad about things that I'm still alone in this, but I think everything happens for the right reason. People who are not meant for you will not with you, no matter what. I'm a very analytical person when it comes to friendships, relationships. So I analyze where I went wrong, what did I do wrong, and how can I fix it. But sometimes the disrespect is louder than you to go back. Just listen to the disrespect. And if the other person is not acknowledging it, just let it be. Trust me, if the other person is not acknowledging what they did wrong, their coming back even does not even matter because the disrespect is louder. Anyways, I just had dinner with a friend, and yes, does not mean I don't have friends. I have so many friends. I just need to find the right kind of people with me because yes, living alone is a bit challenging, but once you learn it, it's so much more fun. I'm having fun, but it's like just leaving the past behind does take time. So yes, I'm gonna take the day off and look at my vision board for some time, do my journaling, read the book, and I'm honestly not feeling so nice, but it's okay. There are days that are going to be good, days that are going to be bad, and yes, guys that I want to just make it more challenging in terms of food and make it easy for me. So